Hey guys, welcome to the third video of the Tkinter series for beginners. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add buttons on the display. In the last video, I've shown you how to add a label. So, we make another variable and we put button inside it. And then we write text is equal to, let's call it just button. And then we can leave it like this, and we can do button dot back. And if I run this, as you can see, we get a button here with the text button on the button. So now if I make a function here called click, and when you call this function, it will print yes. A very simple function, but what we are gonna do is add a command to this button, and we are gonna type click as the command. We don't type it in brackets because we are not calling the function. So if I run this and I click button, as you can see, we get yes here. How many times I will click, it will print yes. So that's the basics behind it. I can even make it generate a whole new label. So if I do LBL is equal to label, and then we type the text as yes, and I would say I would just copy this font and the font size and everything. And also I don't want this foreground to be white and background to be black anymore. If I run this, we get button. I click this, it didn't make any new label. This is what we wanted, but the thing is we didn't pack this label, so we have to do label.pack, and now this should work. If I click the button, it says yes again and again and again. So very simple things which you can do with this button module. You can add almost anything in this function, and I can even make another button called button 2 where I add the text as second button, and I add a command to it. And what is the command? Well, the command is click to. I apologize for my poor naming skills, variable and function naming skills. I'm very bad at it. Anyways, what this will do is, let's say this is kind of a negative style button, and it will make a label of no on it. So text is equal to no. Paste everything again, and we have to pack it. The label already exists, so we have to do label 2 pack. And what is wrong here? Okay, we have to add click to here, and then we do button 2 dot back. Why is this showing an error? Let's run this. invalid syntax. Oh shit, I just didn't add a comma there. So this says yes, this says no, this says yes, this says no, no, okay, and yes again. If I can extend this, you can play around with this so much, and I want you to experiment with this yourself, to get your hands dirty with this. So guys, this was it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.